The standard used by the residential property industry in Australia is that a balanced residential rental market is a vacancy rate around 3%. At that level of vacancy, there is a good level of choice for tenants and rents will tend to be stable. If vacancies are above 3%, that would tend to suggest oversupply. And if vacancies are well below 3%, that then indicates a shortage and rents are likely to be rising. So here's the thing, Australia's not had a vacancy rate of 3% any time in the last 20 years. The most recent figures from SQM Research show that the national vacancy rate fell from 1.3% in June to 1.2% in July. In other words, vacancies are getting lower and the upward pressure on rents will continue. The question is, why have vacancies been so low for so long in Australia? The current federal government is now well into a second 3-year term, but on Anthony Albanese's watch, vacancies have got worse, not better. The Labor state government of Victoria has been in power for over a decade, but vacancies there continue to get worse, not better. So why are our elected representatives who claim to care about the housing crisis and promise to fix it unable to deal with this situation, which means that people who need or choose to rent have limited choice in the market in most parts of Australia and have to pay increasingly high rents? Currently, 5 of the 8 capital cities have vacancies below 1%, as low as 0.5% in Darwin, 0.6% in Hobart, and also well below 1% in Brisbane, Perth and Adelaide. The highest vacancy rates in our capital cities are still very low at just 1.5%. Now, politicians continue to chatter about their concern about the housing crisis, the rental shortage and the high rents that tenants are paying, but they're apparently incapable of taking meaningful action to deal with this problem. The only suggestions coming out of national politics are policies to smash the people who provide the product that's in short supply, mum and dad investors. And if those anti-investor ideas were implemented, the rental shortage would get even worse than it is currently. The only way they'll ever fix this problem is to incentivize people to become landlords, when most of the policies from politicians achieve the opposite.